Welcome back to our creative corner. Are you ready to fold, create, and have some fun with the amazing art of origami? Get your paper ready, because today we're embarking on a fun paper adventure. Today, I'm going to show you how to make your very own origami fox, a classic and adorable design that's perfect for beginners. And the best part? You can create this fantastic fox out of just one piece of paper. It's super easy, super cute, and a fantastic way to impress your friends and family with your newfound origami skills. So gather your supplies, clear your workspace, and let's get started on this origami adventure. First, make sure you have a square piece of paper. This is the foundation of our fox, so it's important to start with the right shape. Any color you like. Orange is traditional for foxes, but feel free to get creative and use your favorite color, maybe a blue fox or a pink one. If you only have a rectangle, ask an adult to help you carefully cut it into a perfect square. Precision is key for origami. Ready? Got your square? Great! Here we go! Get ready to transform this simple piece of paper. Step 1. Fold your paper in half diagonally to make a big triangle. This is a crucial fold, so take your time. Line up the corners perfectly, making sure they meet exactly, and then press down the fold really well. A crisp fold will make the next steps much easier. Now, take the pointy top of your triangle. That's the single corner that's not part of the long folded edge, and fold it down to the bottom edge. Try to make the point touch the middle of the bottom edge for the best result. See that? You've got a smaller triangle. This fold creates the basic shape of the fox's head. Next, let's make our fox ears. These pointy ears are what give our fox its characteristic look. Take the left corner and fold it up, creating a diagonal fold. So it sticks out at the top, that's one ear. Try to make the fold symmetrical and even. Do the same with the right corner. Mirror the fold you just made on the left side. Fold it up so it matches the first ear. Aim for the same angle and height to keep your fox looking balanced. Awesome! Now your fox has two cute pointy ears. Doesn't it already look like a fox? Now for the face, we're almost there. Flip your fox over carefully so the folds you just made for the ears are now at the back. Take the top point, the one pointing downwards, and fold it up just a little bit. A small fold is all you need here. This will be your fox's nose. This little fold gives the fox's face its shape and character. Flip it back to the front and there you have it. The basic shape of your origami fox is complete. Look at that, so foxtastic. But we're not quite finished yet. Now comes the fun part. Ready for the best part? It's time to bring your fox to life with a little bit of artistic flair. Grab a marker or a crayon, any color will do, but black is perfect for the eyes and nose, and draw eyes, a nose, and maybe some whiskers on your fox's face. This is where you can really let your personality shine through. You can give your fox sleepy eyes, happy eyes, or even silly eyes. Maybe add some eyebrows for extra expression. Make it your own. Add spots, stripes, or even a little hat. And there you have it, your very own origami fox ready to play and brighten your day. Isn't it cool what you can make from just a simple piece of paper and a few clever folds? It's like magic. If you want, you can make a whole family of foxes, a foxy family, in different colors and sizes. Imagine a whole rainbow of origami foxes. Remember, making origami is all about having fun, experimenting, and trying new things. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. That's how we learn. If your fox doesn't look perfect, that's absolutely okay. Every fox is unique and special, just like you and your own creative style. Thanks for folding with me today. I hope you had a fantastic time creating your origami fox. If you had fun, try out some more paper crafts and let your imagination run wild. There's a whole world of origami waiting to be explored. Don't forget to show your origami fox to your friends and family. They'll be so impressed by your amazing origami skills. See you next time for more awesome crafts. Keep folding, keep creating, and bye for now.